Once again welcome you in this new session of the comparison of rational numbers. Now here we have seen in the previous videos how to show the numbers on the number line and what is the definition of a rational numbers. Revise it, the link is given in the description box, so you can go through it, you can see those videos to revise it again. Now we'll see the comparison of a rational number. I think you have got one question, that why Miss has or teacher has drawn the number line on the number, because here we are going to compare the rational number. It is just for the explanation or to clear your doubts. Just I want to show if the numbers are on the number line. So before that, before to start the comparison of a rational numbers, we'll compare the numbers, integers which are on the number line. If you observe this number line carefully, what you can observe it? Just pause the video and give your answer in the comment box. I hope you are writing the answers. Okay, now I'll explain you. If you observe this number line, the number which goes on the right side, that means the value is increasing on right side. But the number which are on left side, the values goes on decreasing. So if I'll compare this -2 and -1, -1 is right side, -2 is on left side. So -2 is smaller than the -1. Here I'll compare the -3 and 1. -3 is on left side and 1 is on the right side. So -3 is smaller than the 1. This is the comparison of integers. So here today we are going to study the comparison of a rational number. So here first I'll take the number -1 upon 2 and here 3 upon 2. See, for the comparison of a rational number, there is one particular rule, that their denominator should be same. Then you can compare the numerators. Now here I have given the denominator, both of them they have the same. That means you can compare the numerator. -1 and 3. Think on a number line. If it comes on the number line, so -1, what is the place of a -1? Where it will place? And where is the +3? Where it will be? Here. See, 3 is on right side and -1 is on left side. So -1 is a smaller, and whoever is a smaller, you have to point this sign. Point should be towards the negative, means smaller one. So -1 upon 2 is smaller than the 3 upon 2. Now we'll see the next example. -2 upon 4. Here -3 upon 4. Here -2 upon 4 and -3 upon 4. Denominators are same. Compare the numerator, -2 and negative. Again think, when you draw the number line, so -2, what is the position of a -2 and what is the position of a -3? -2 lie here and -3 will lie left side, and right side who will come? -2. So who is the smaller? So -3 would be smaller. So -3 is smaller, so I will write this sign. So point is towards the -3. So this sign is called that greater than the sign, and this sign is known as less than the sign. So -2 upon 4 is greater than the -3 upon 4. Now in the -3 upon 7, 2 upon 7. It is very easy example. Here it is negative and here it is positive. Denominators are same, just I'll compare the numerators. So -3 and here positive. Positive, of course, it will lie on the right side. Negative will lie on the left side. So this will be a smaller. -3 is a smaller. Now these examples I have shown you. Here the denominators would be same. But if such type of examples will come whose denominators are not same, so in that case you have to make their denominators same first, and then you will compare those rational numbers. We'll see those examples. Here I'll take the example 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. Now in this example, just see 16, 15, sorry 12 and 16 denominators are not same. Compare these rational numbers. I have to make their denominators same. So first I'll find out the least common multiple of these two numbers. These two numbers are divisible by 4. So 4 3s are 4 4s are again 3 by 4. So 3 4 4 4s are 16 16 16 3s are 48. So LCM will be 48. What is 48? Means 48 comes in 12th table also and 16th table also. It will help me to make the denominators equal. 12 multiplied by which number? Then I'll get the 48. 12 4s are. So here I'll multiply by 4 at the denominator. Numerator also I'll multiply by 4. Same way 7 upon 16. 16 should be multiplied by 3 because I want 48. 16 3s are, so numerator also 3s are. So multiply it. 15 4s are 60. Denominator 48. 7 3s are 21. 16 3s are 48. Now see denominator becomes same. Now by which number you can which rational number is the greater? 60 and 21 on a number line. Think on a number line. 21 will come here and 60 will come on right side. So 60 is a greater than this 21. But this fraction is not given. These rational numbers are not given. What is the actual rational number? I have to compare this. So therefore 50 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 60. Next example, 3 upon 4 negative 3 upon 2. This is very easy example. Here positive and negative, positive it is a greater than this. No need to make the denominators equal. So directly I can write 3 upon 4 is greater than minus 3 upon 2. Next example, third example, 3 upon 12 minus and 2 upon 4 negative. Now I want to compare this. So here denominator should be equal. How to make the denominators equal? 12 and 4. In the fourth table, what is the LCM of these two? I can check. 4, 12. What is the LCM? I can divide 4 1s are 4 3s are 3. LCM you have studied in 7th standard. 4 3s are 12. So LCM is, that is 12 will come in 12th table also and it will come in 4th table also. So minus 3 upon 12. It should be multiplied. It is already 12. So no need to multiply this fraction. But here I have to multiply. So denominator I want to convert it into 12. So here I should multiply by 3. So it will become 4 3s are 12. If I multiply denominator, I should multiply at the numerator also. Next here minus 3 upon 12 and here it will become minus 6 upon 12. Now students, you can compare. Denominators are same, minus 3 and minus 6. On the number line, minus 3 will come here and minus 6 will come here. That minus 6 would be on the left side, minus 3 would be on the right side. So minus 3 is a greater. That means in this minus 3 upon 12 is greater than minus 2 upon 4. 0. 0 and 3 upon 5. If you observe it, 0 is in the middle and positive number is on the always right side of that 0. This is another rule. So if 0 and positive numbers, so in this comparison, the positive number is always bigger than this 0. So here I can write 0 is less than the 3 upon 5. whoever is smaller, I am making it pointer towards that smaller number. Now in this fifth example, I'll take I'll compare 0 with the negative number. So 0 minus 2 upon 5. Students, 0 on the number line, 0 is at the middle and negative numbers lies on the left side of that 0. So here while comparing these two rational numbers, 0 is always greater than the negative numbers. So here direct comparison, 0 is greater than minus 2 upon 5. Now the next example, sixth example, 4 upon 7 and 2 upon 8. Here just check it, both are positive. Again I have to make their denominators equal. So here find out the LCM of this. So by 7, here by 8, 7 8s the LCM would be 56. That means both the numbers 56 can come in 7's table also and 8's table also. So by which number should I multiply? Then I'll get the 56 8s. So add the numerator also 8s. Now here 2 upon 8. By which number should I multiply? Then I'll get here 56 by 7. Here also by 7. So what is the multiplication? 4 8s are 32, 7 8s are 56. Here 2 7s are 14, 7 8s are 56. Now you can compare because their denominators are same. So what is the denominator? 56, 56. Compare the numerators 32 and 14. Draw the number line. Imagine a number line. Now if you if you plot the 14, if you place the 32, so 14 will come on the left side. 14 place would be here and 32 will come on somewhere place over there. So means on right side. So 32 is a bigger than the 14. So in this way we have seen the comparison of a rational number. If you don't understand any concept or if you have any query, just you can write in the comment box, then I can give your answers. Thank you. After watching this video, please subscribe the channel to get the notification of the next video. Thank you.